Welcome to yet another video of Success Stories Unplugged. I am your host Tanya Majumdar and I have with me the director of Ajmal Foundation, Dr. Khasrul Islam sir, and we are standing at the contours of power, that is the Ajmal Law College, Hojai. The very first question goes like, what kind of future judges, lawyers and advocates you are trying or you are envisioning to mold here at Ajmal Law College?
Thank you, Tanya, for coming over here and talk
My
about
pleasure.
our Ajmal Law College. And this has been established particularly keeping in mind that law education is not only preparation of legal practice, it's a preparation for citizenship. So to make a wise citizen, to make a learned citizen, to make a conscious citizen, responsible citizen, we must have students with proper legal knowledge and awareness. And we have noticed that in the Constitution of India, particularly in the preamble of India, has embodied the four core ideals: justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity.
Yes.
So, justice is the first core ideal been included in the preamble of India. So, for a very ideal society, we must ensure the prevailing of justice. মানে ন্যায় যদি এটা সমাজত নাথাকে তো কেতিয়াও আমি সেইটোক এটা আইডিয়েল সোসাইটি হিচাপত ক'ব নোৱাৰো। তো প্ৰথম হৈছে আমি ন্যায় এনচিয়ৰ কৰিব লাগে, চবৰ কাৰণে উপযুক্ত ন্যায় ব্যৱস্থা থাকিব লাগিব, তেতিয়া আমি এখন মানে সুস্থ সমাজ বুলি আমি ক'ব পাৰিম। এই আটকদিনীয়া এনভাইৰনমেণ্ট এষ্টাব্লিছমেণ্টটো কৰা হৈছে আজমল ল কলেজ ভাল লয়াৰ প্ৰডিউচ কৰিবৰ কাৰণে যিমানখিনি আমাৰ প্ৰচেষ্টা কৰিব লাগে যে এটা আইডিয়েল ইনষ্টিটিউশ্যন অকলে কিতাপ পঢ়িলেই নহ'ব। এজনৰ লয়াৰ্ছৰ কাৰণে কোৱা হয় কোৰ্টক এক্সপ্ৰেছ কৰিব লাগে। তো এক্সপ্ৰেছ কৰিবলৈ গ'লে জ্ঞানটো বহল থাকিব লাগিব। হি নিডছ টু নো হাউ টু প্ৰেজেণ্ট দিছ থিংছ বিফোৰ দ্য জাজ। চ' এই বস্তুটোৰ কাৰণে আমি তেওঁলোকক প্ৰেক্টিচিং নলেজখিনি আমি দিয়াৰ চেষ্টা কৰোঁ। উই হেভ চিন ইন দ্য ইউনিভাৰ্চিটি এক্সামিনেশ্যনছ দ্য আজমল ল কলেজ হেজ টপ। আমাৰ যোৱা বছৰে PLLB মানে টপ 10ৰ মাজত 6জন আমাৰ আজমল ল কলেজৰ ফালৰ পৰা তেওঁলোকে টপ 10ত মানে সোমাব পাৰিছে। ইন এভৰি এৰিয়াজ দে আৰ excelling.
What are the skills? I'm talking about the soft skills and life skills.
বিশেষকে প্ৰেক্টিকেল বা এক্সপিৰিয়েঞ্চিয়েল লাৰ্ণিঙৰ ওপৰত বেছি গুৰুত্ব দিয়া হয়। প্ৰতিটো ছেমিষ্টাৰত ষ্টুডেণ্টবিলাকক লৈ যোৱা হয় কোৰ্টবিলাকক, আৰু তাতে তেওঁলোকৰ এক্সপিৰিয়েঞ্চিয়েল লাৰ্ণিং তেওঁলোকে এক্সপিৰিয়েঞ্চ কৰে। যেনেকৈ আমাৰ ইয়াতে ৰেগুলাৰ স্পীচ কম্পিটিশ্যন কৰোৱা হয়, ডিবেট কম্পিটিশ্যন কৰোৱা হয়, মোড কোৰ্ট ৰেগুলাৰ বেচিছত কৰা হৈ থাকে, বা গ্ৰুপ ডিছকাশ্যনৰ ব্যৱস্থা কৰা হৈছে চ' দেট দ্য ষ্টুডেণ্ট কেন প্ৰেজেণ্ট দেমছেলফ বেটাৰ।
This testament of hardship is very much visible in the result that is being produced from this institution so far.
In the practical learnings also, the college is doing everything. Even we are inviting the resource persons. They are also very much impressed.
Judges are also coming?
On regular basis, judges are also been invited. Court experience. Heitur karone amar yate regular basis or judge okoloko mata hoy.
Here students Assam Ajmal Law College or every year the results pur iman besi bhal thake. They are every time they are coming out with flying colors. So behind this result, apnaluke ki initiative lawyers so as to get such kind of betterment in their performances one after another.
The faculty recruitment kolo compromise no koro. Merit and quality.
So university resource person ok loi pelai mane
ekdom
best of the faculty
follow kori pelai university bhal professor ok mati pelai interview kora. Quality faculty paisa amar kane 50% kam hek hoy jay.
For which we are seeing such kind of amazing results every year, and which makes Ajmal Law College stood apart from other institutions.
Jenne ki apnak moi kolu quality faculty. Then second thing is environment. Apni dekhise te amar full class choli ase around 400 students. Ei environment koile automatic student পঢ়িবলৈ বাধ্য হয়।
I mean they have gotten the perfect platform.
এই নাৰ্চাৰিংটো এনেকে কৰা হয় আৰু তেওঁলোকক অলমোষ্ট হাতে কলমে ধৰি একদম মানে প্ৰাইমাৰী স্কুলৰ ষ্টুডেণ্টৰ নিচিনা, and then they are given an opportunity to express themselves properly and to gain sufficient knowledge what is required for becoming a very good lawyer. So গোটেইখিনি বস্তু আমাৰ
And it seems that they are not just prepared for academics, they are prepared for life itself.
Exactly.
Yes.
Ajmal institution এটা বস্তু সদায় রিফ্লেক্ট হয় যে একটা মানব সম্পদ ভরা হয় ইয়াতে।
They are going to be an asset for the community, society and the nation at large. So this particular spirit been infused in them. Whenever our trustees come, they interact with them. They would like to infuse this particular spirit that they should become a lawyer with values and with principles, with morals. So this thing must reflect.
ইয়াতেই পঢ়ি গৈ ইয়াতেই পঢ়াই আছে, এটা বহুত এটা ডাঙৰ achievement হয়।
We make all out efforts to nurture latent talents in the students.
What is the role that these moot court provides to our students and aspirants who are going to become future lawyers?
In particularly the law college, the main focus is to prepare a lawyer who can try to impress the court, but to express the court. To express the court, one need to learn everything on practicing here in this particular institution.
And perfect platform is
yeah,
needed.
yeah. In law college, along with the academics, library is a very essential part, and moot court is the most crucial and integral part of a law college. So this moot court prepare a real lawyer how to present the thing before the honorable court. So he learns all these things in hand over here. This is the best of the facility. Would like to provide a replica of a court is given to the students so that they can learn these things practically. Our principal sir, Dr. Akkas Ali Saab, he is arranging sufficient number of moot court practices for the students.
Real courtroom enter koribo, they won't be afraid of the audience, of the
Hesitation should not be there.
বস্তু তো মানে নাইকিয়া হৈ যাব because already ইয়াতে সেই environment to সেই feel to পাই যাব।
আমাৰ as per BCI rule এটা student minimum 2 moot courts কৰিব লাগে। আমাৰ law college কৈছে আমি 10 years student minimum 10 moot court।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা।
And for 6 years minimum 6। So every month we conducted 2 moot courts.
It's a full-fledged preparation.
Moot court কৰিলে and for the benefit of the moot court knowledge বাঢ়িব, the research কৰিব, then communication skill and confidence. চাৰিটা বস্তু একেলগে হৈ
যায়। As audience থাকিব, they are also facilitated.
Yes,
they are also
That's why this
facilitated.
arrangement is there that
Yes, I can see ample amount of seats are provided so that when audience, they won't be passive listeners, they will be active participants.
Exactly. And on the top of that, conduct inter-college moot court competitions, national moot court competitions also, so that the students are to get the exposure.
And even if they do not become lawyers, they are becoming good speakers.
Exactly.
Debaters, speakers, and this, you know, in this 21st century, you have to be good speaker. You need to face audience in all aspects. Wide room to express their thoughts and arguments and to fight debates with others. They get the real feeling, very alive, very fresh.
Aura being created over here.
This is what aura.
The aura of a courtroom being created over here. The trust is when they come and interact with the students, they tell them that you are not to prepare yourself for the local courts or the courts in Assam. That you are to prepare for the Supreme Courts. You are to prepare for the even go beyond national boundaries and all, so that you prepare yourself in any platform. You can present yourself in the best possible manner. The confidence reflected particularly in the prominent lawyers in the Supreme Court of India, that must be there in our students. So for these things, the entire arrangement been done, and আমি দেখা পাই আছো এই এৰেঞ্জমেন্টটো পাই পেলাই আমাৰ ষ্টুডেন্টৰ মাজত যেটো পৰিৱৰ্তন মানে অতি কম সময়ৰ ভিতৰত বহুত ক্ষেত্ৰত দেখা পায় এজন লয়াৰে 3 বছৰ বা 5 বছৰৰ কোৰ্সৰ পিছত থিয় হৈ কথা ক'ব নোৱাৰে, বাট আমাৰ ইয়াতে 1 বছৰৰ মূৰতে যিজনে এবাৰো কথা পতা নাই হিজনেও দুনিয়াকে নিজক প্ৰেজেন্ট কৰিব পাৰে আমাৰ ষ্টুডেন্ট বিলাকে।
When an outsider like us, when we enter, when you just enter the door, the aura changes. And you feel like you are surrounded by the future lawyers of the country or everywhere. We do not see them as mere students wearing black and white. We see them as lawyers. This is the feeling.
Even some of the students are going to join Supreme Court of India. Some of them are already in practice in high courts, and many of our students are doing wonders in their practical life as well.
We have walked a long way, and it was not just a mere walk. It was an incredible journey of justice, of rights, and of power. Thanks to Team Ajmal for making me a part of this beautiful and unforgettable memory.